It hurts when you are my everything but I am your nothing. Some disconnections will bless your life. Family, trust me, family problems will kill all your happiness. Accept that you are not special to some people and move on. Single, no problems, just earn the money, travel, eat, drink and sleep. Value the person who gives you time. It's not just time. They share a part of life with you. Go to hell. No time for fake and negative peoples. Time is precious. Make sure you spend it with the right people. Sleeping. I love sleeping because dreams are better than reality. Success. The biggest slap to your enemies is your success. So true. People will hurt you and then act like you hurt them. Feelings. Never tell your feelings to anyone. Nobody truly cares. Trust, I am a good enough person to forgive you, but not stupid enough to trust you again. Fake, a clear rejection is always better than fake promise. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.